बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट, कैसे हैं आप? आई वॉज बिजी इन द क्लास 9 बिकॉज उनके एग्जाम्स अप्रोच कर रहे थे। अब हम फर्स्ट ईयर की रेगुलर बेसिस के ऊपर सीरीज स्टार्ट करेंगे और सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 5। इससे पहले चैप्टर नंबर 6, 8 और 9 की वीडियोस ऑलरेडी मौजूद हैं। अब रैंडमली हम डिफरेंट चैप्टर्स की वीडियोस स्टार्ट करेंगे और अपलोड करते जाएंगे इंशाल्लाह टिल योर एग्जाम्स 80 to 90% ऑफ योर सिलेबस विल बी एट यूट्यूब। लेट्स स्टार्ट। मेरे पास है जी आपका कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं 5.1 को स्टार्ट करने से पहले। पहली बात है जी फैक्टर थ्योरम। हमारे पास एक पॉलिनोमियल होती है। अगर हम पॉलिनोमियल को किसी एक फैक्टर से डिवाइड करते हैं और हमारा रिमाइंडर आ जाए 0, अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाए इट्स मीन वो उसका क्या होगा, फैक्टर होगा। दिस इज कॉल्ड फैक्टर थ्योरम। आसान लफ्जों में अगर मैं बोलूं 10 है, 2 5s are 10। जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं आंसर आता है आपका रिमेनिंग क्या बचता है 0। दिस इज रिमाइंडर। सो आई विल से 2 इज फैक्टर ऑफ 10। इसी तरह अगर मैं कहता हूं 10 3, 3 3s are 9, एक बचा। नाउ इट्स नॉट इक्वल टू 0, सो 3 इज नॉट फैक्टर ऑफ 10। इसी तरह ये हमारा हो गया फैक्टर थ्योरम। अगली बात है जी रिमाइंडर थ्योरम। रिमाइंडर थ्योरम क्या है, हम डिवाइड करते हैं पॉलिनोमियल को किसी फैक्टर से, जैसे x माइनस सी, तो हमारे पास कुछ ना कुछ रिमाइंडर बच जाता है। याद रखिए अगर मैं लिखता हूं 10 3, 3 3s are 9, तो एक बच गया। ये जो आपका 3 है इसे हम कहते हैं डिवाइजर। ये जो ऊपर 3 है इसे हम कहते हैं कोशेंट। और ये जो 10 है 10 को हम कहते हैं डिवाइडेंड। एंड दिस रिमेनिंग इज कॉल्ड रिमाइंडर। तो एज पर रिमाइंडर थ्योरम हमें कैसे लिखा जाता है, डिवाइजर यानी ये वाला 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस कोफिशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू डिवाइडेंड। यानी हम इसी तरह जैसे आपका ये लिखा हुआ है 3 आपका डिवाइजर है, 3 ये है, तो 3 into 3 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 10। ये मेरे पास आपका क्या होता है जी, रिमाइंडर थ्योरम। आखिरी बात जो एक्सरसाइज में यूज होगी दैट इज zeros of polynomial. This mean that if we put that value in any polynomial and we get a zero remainder, that is called zero of polynomial. So let's start the question from these. पहला सवाल देखिए, कहता है find the remainder of the following by using remainder theorem. हमारे पास एक बड़ी पोलिनोमियल है, एक आपकी छोटी पोलिनोमियल है। मैं कहता हूं लेट, बड़े वाली का नाम है p of x, वो ये है, एंड q of x इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 2। मेथड क्या होता है, हम छोटे वाली को करते हैं जी लेट q of x इज इक्वल टू 0, यानी x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0, तो x बराबर आ जाएगा -2 के। अब इस -2 को हम क्या करेंगे, अपनी p of x में पुट करेंगे। सो पुट x इज इक्वल टू -2 इन p of x, तो मेरे पास क्या आएगा p of -2, 2 इंटू -2 का क्यूब प्लस 3 इंटू -2 का स्क्वायर -4 इंटू -2 प्लस 1। अब देखिए -2 का क्यूब क्या होता है 8, क्योंकि नेगेटिव है ऊपर पावर ऑड है, नेगेटिव का साइन रहेगा, दैट कम्स -16 माइनस ऊपर आपका स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव होगा, नेगेटिव 2 स्क्वायर इज 4, 4 3s are 12, दिस माइनस माइनस प्लस 4 2s are 8 प्लस 1। तो मेरे पास 12 और 8 कितना हो गया 20, 20 प्लस 1 21, 16। मेरे पास बचा क्या 5। दिस इज कॉल्ड रिमाइंडर। मूव करते हैं सेकंड क्वेश्चन पे। अगेन लेट द बिगर वन इज p of x इज इक्वल टू दिस एंड q of x इज इक्वल टू x माइनस 2। हम क्या करेंगे, लेट x माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू 2। इसको पुट कर देंगे हम अपनी पोलिनोमियल में। p of 2 इज इक्वल टू 2 पावर 4 प्लस 2 इंटू 2 पावर 3 माइनस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 टाइम्स 2 प्लस 3। अब जब करते हैं 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16। दिस इज 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 टाइम 2 is 16 माइनस 2 स्क्वायर is 4, देन प्लस 4 प्लस 3। इफ यू सी 4 and -4 cancel, 16 32 plus 3 35। So this is called remainder। दैट्स इट अबाउट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. मूव करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पर. ही सेज शो दैट, प्रूव करें दिस इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ दिस. बात वही आ गई, लेट p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब माइनस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 6. दिस इज x माइनस 3. q of x is equal to x minus 3. Let q of x is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. x is equal to plus 3. अब हमें चेक करना फैक्टर. If we put this into the polynomial and we get 0, it means it will be a factor. I will say put x is equal to 3 in p of x. It will be p of 3 and then 3 cube minus 2 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. If we see here in this question, what I will get? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, minus 15 plus 6. अगर हम इनको ऐड करते हैं 33, 33, that is 0. So we will say x minus 3 is a factor of this bigger that we call p of x. Again, question number 3, he says decide. Now in this question, he said decide yes or no. It means it can be factor or it cannot be the factor. See, x minus 3, I will say let q of x, that is x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. This bigger one is p of x. I will say put x is equal to 3 in p of x. What I will get? P of 3, so 3 cube minus 2 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. If I check, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, minus 15 plus 6. So this one, if we see this question, 18, 15, 33, again 33, I have written again the same question. So pardon, this is also 0. It means this is also a factor. Now if I write the other situation in which he has written x is equal to 3 and polynomial is x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 1. In this question, if I put p of 3, it is 3 cube minus 2 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 1. This is 27 minus 18 minus 15 plus 1. So this one is, you can say 33 and this one is 28. So what I will get? Minus 5. If I get the minus 5, so x minus 3 is not a factor because we couldn't get a 0. So this one was the question number 3. Now see the question number 4. He says the biggest polynomial is p of x. That is this one. Completely divisible mean, when he used the word completely divisible, it's mean remainder is 0. So this is the question. We know that divisible is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder is 0. So definitely we have to find the other factor, mean divisor. So quotient is multiplying, on the other side it will be divided. So you can say divisor is equal to dividend by quotient. If you simply see what is dividend, the bigger 4y cube minus 4y square plus you can say 10 plus 2y. Now I will divide by this quotient 4y square minus 8y plus 10. Now it is long division. In this method we have the target of only first term. यहाँ पे देखिए 4y स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे 4y क्यूब, मुझे चाहिए सिर्फ y. तो y आपका इधर भी मल्टीप्लाई, इधर भी और इधर भी, ये आ जाएगा 4y क्यूब माइनस 8y स्क्वायर प्लस 10y. व्हाट आई विल डू नाउ, हम साइन चेंज करेंगे, प्लस का माइनस, माइनस का प्लस, माइनस ये कैंसिल, ये आ जाएगा आपका 4y स्क्वायर माइनस 10 प्लस 2y, तो ये आ जाएगा माइनस 8y and 10 आपको ऊपर से आ गया नीचे. Again, if you see this term and this terms are totally same, I will write here 1. So it will be 1 4y square minus 8y plus 10, sign change, cancel, it's 0. So it's mean the other factor is x y plus 1. So you can say, so divisor is y plus 1 or y plus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. So in both way, you can give your answer. Question number 5, he says, find the value of q if this polynomial is exactly mean remainder is equal to 0. Exactly mean r is equal to 0. So I will say let p of x is equal to x cube plus qx square minus 7x plus 6. So what I will do, q of x is x plus 1. I say it is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Now put in p of x, what I will get, p of minus 1. Now minus 1 cube plus q into minus 1 square minus 7 minus 1 plus 6. If you just simply check, minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 square is positive 1 because inside negative upper power is even, it change into positive, it is q. Minus 1 is plus 7 plus 6. So 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 minus, it is basically q plus 12. अब लिखें as exactly divisible, so q plus 12 will be equal to 0. So it's mean q is equal to this plus on the other side, it will be minus 12. That's it for the question number 5. Move करते हैं question number 6 पर. Again the same question. He says this is a polynomial p of x which when divided by gives 16 remainder. So what we will do, p of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 3x minus 3m, and q of x is equal to x minus 2. What I will say, let x minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 2. Now what you will do, simply put this in the polynomial and you will get the 16 remainder. So put in p of x, what I will get, p of 2, it will be 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 3m. Now when we see this one, what we will get, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 times 2 is 16 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, minus 3 2s are 6, minus 3m. Now I will simplify, 12 minus 6 is 6, 16 plus 6 that is 22. And in the question he has given us 3m, but pardon, let me check because I am seeing here it's m only. This is m only, so it will be m. So 22 minus m. Now he says it is equal to 16. What we will say? 22 minus m is equal to 16. It is given. What is given? Now m is negative. I will shift m to the other side, or you can say this 22 is going to be plus, on the other side minus. 16 minus 22 minus m. This minus 6 minus m, minus is cancelled with minus, m is equal to 6. So this is how we solve this sort of question. If in the question it is given 3m, तो मसला कोई नहीं है, आप 3m में 3 को यहाँ पे डिवाइड कर देंगे तो आपका आंसर 2 आ जाएगा. एसएमए बेस्ड के बाद आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, so no need to worry. I just follow the value of book. Now in the question number 7, he says check 1 and minus 2 are zeros of this. See, मैंने आपको क्या बताया, we will put this value in this polynomial. If remainder is 0, it means it is the solution or 0 of the polynomial. What I will do, I will say put x is equal to 1. I check for this one, part A in p of x. This one is our p of x. P of x is equal to x cube minus 7x plus 6. Put this value, p of 1 cube minus 7 into 1 plus 6. So this is 1 minus 7 plus 6. So if I simplify, I get a 0. So I will say yes, x is equal to 1 is 0 of p of x. Again for the other part, put x is equal to minus 2 in p of x. If I put, I will get p of minus 2, then minus 2 cube minus 7 into minus 2 plus 6. Because power is odd, simply it is minus 8. Minus 1 is plus, 7 2s are 14 plus 6. That is 20. 20 minus 8 is equal to 12, not equal to 0. So we will say x is equal to minus 2 is not 0 of p of x. This one. Now move towards the question number 8 of the same exercise. He says find the number of zeros of this polynomial. Now in this sort of question, what we do? We take this one by hit and trial method and put different values of these factors. 6 2s are 12. So 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2. So we will try by different methods and then finalize. So let's start. This is 12. I tried for 1. This is called hit and trial. I try it by p of 1 is equal to 2. See, this is x cube. I will say 2 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 11 into 1 minus 6. So this is 2 plus 3 minus 11 minus 6. This is 17 minus 5. That is basically you can say 12. So basically this is equal to minus 12, not equal to 0. So 0 is not the 0 of this polynomial. 1 is not the 0 of this polynomial. 1 is not 0. Now I try by 2. P of 2, it will be 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 11 into 2 minus 6. 2 2s are 2 cube is 8, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 minus 22 minus 6. So this one is 0 by chance. So it's mean 2 is a factor. When you find something is a factor, then you simply do one thing. You simply write put x is equal to 2. We put this here. So x is equal to 2 is a 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. Like this. Now what we will do? Because we have to find the zeros of this. So we will divide this 2x cube plus 3x square minus 11x minus 6 by which value? X minus 2. Now in this case, x minus 2, our target is the first term. This is x. First of all, we required 2. Then we required here x square as well. What I will get? 2 times x is 2x cube. Then this minus 4x square. Sign change. This one is cancelled. This one is 7x square minus 11x minus 6. Again, this is x. This is 7x square. I will write 7x. So this will be 7x square minus 14x. Again, I will change the sign. So it will be, you can say 3x minus 6. Again, this is x minus 2. I will write 3. So this will be 3x minus 3 2s are 6. So we will get this by the theorem. So you can say p of x is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And remainder in this case is 0. What is divisor? X minus 2. What is quotient? 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Now simple thing is we have to find the different values from which we get the 0. See, now we will factorize this one. If we factorize this one, we have to face the situation in which we can say we have, see, x minus 2. Now, this is x minus 2. This is, if I multiply this, factorize 3 2s are 6. I need to get 7. So I will write 2x square. 6 1s are 6. So it will be 6x, 1x plus 3. Now in the factorization method, the biggest term get the sign of question. Then again plus. So x minus 2. Here if I take common 2x, what I will get? X plus 3. There is no common 1. X plus 3. So my question is alright because I get the same things. X minus 2, x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. Because it is the solution of this question. So I can say here, if I follow this one, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So by this we will get 0 answer again. X plus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3. This is the second 0 and the third one is 2x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So these three are the 2, minus 3, minus 1 by 2 are zeros of polynomial. That's it. Move to करते हैं question number 9 की तरफ. In the question number 9, he says we have a biggest polynomial. Show in this form where a is equal to 4. Remember, what is a? A is basically a remainder that is going to be divided. So I can say x is equal to 4, x minus 4. What we do long division, x cube minus x square, then minus 14x plus 8. And this is x minus 4. Now see, this is x cube. What I will do, I will write here x square. Because my target is the first term. तो मेरे पास क्या आ जाएगा x का क्यूब. जब ये माइनस इसके साथ होगा तो ये माइनस 4x स्क्वायर. अगले स्टेप में हम साइन चेंज करते हैं. ये कैंसिल, ये प्लस, ये आ गया 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 14x प्लस 8. अब ये 3 है, ये x है, तो पहली बात आएगा 3. दूसरी बात आएगा आपका एक x, क्योंकि x स्क्वायर चाहिए. तो 3x को x से किया 3x स्क्वायर, माइनस 4 से किया माइनस 12x. अगेन साइन चेंज, ये आ जाएगा माइनस 2x प्लस 8. So what we will do, this minus 2 we need additional, this x minus 2 को x से किया minus 2x plus 8. So sign change किया, these are cancel. So now this one is divisor. So I can write f of x or this polynomial as what is my this one, this is x minus 4. What is coefficient? X square minus 3x minus 2 plus 0. So this is how we represent this one, because this one is divisor, quotient and remainder. Move करते हैं last question of the exercise. A rectangular room has a volume of this one. So P of x, you can say x cube plus 11x square plus 34x plus 24. Height is x plus 1. Find the area. Very simple. We know that what is volume? Volume is length into width into height. If you check, length into width is also called area. Area into height is equal to volume. If I want to calculate area, height will be divided. So area बराबर होगा volume over height. So what I do, simply think is, what is volume? X cube plus 11x square plus 34x plus 24. And here what is area? Area is x plus 1. Now see, our target is only the first term. This is x, this is x cube, it will be x square. Now this will multiply here and here, x cube plus x square. This one is sign change, cancel. This one is 10x square plus 34x plus 24. मेरे पास आपकी ये वाली वैल्यू आ गई. अब हम करेंगे क्या? अगली टर्म मेरे पास है 10. 10 के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे लगा देंगे प्लस 10x. Why? Because यहाँ पे एक x है, यहाँ जाएगा 10x square and 10 into 1, this आ गया 10x. Change the sign. What we get? 24x plus 24. Last thing is, we here 24. This is 24x, then 24 into 1, 24. Sign change. This is 0. So basically, area would be x square plus 10x plus 24. That's it. So wait for the next videos. Inshallah, I will complete the whole book in the series of lecture, and inshallah in a very short interval of time. See you. Wait for the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.